Hello, my name is Landa Watson. I'm 60 years old and I've been needing a hip transplant for about 7 years. I found IndiCure online and I called them and they took my medical records and decided that I was a candidate for hip replacement. And they took care of all the arrangements from my hotel to the hospital. I had the surgery 10 days ago, and I had nursing staff with me all night, all day, every day to help me with my things. And everyone was very good to me, and the hotel was nice. And I got to see a little bit of India at the same time, and the surgery was very successful, and I'm going home tomorrow and I'm very happy about that too. Thank you.